Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is Future of Cyber Journalism. We explored some of the major differences between cyber journalism, new media, and old print media. And while it's true that there are still enough people to substantiate the need for printed newspapers and magazines, the world is changing rapidly and technology just keeps growing. And keeping up the switch from old print media to new media, would you believe that the first Kindle just came out in 2007 and the first Nook in 2009? Forrester Research predicts that over 29.4 million Americans will own an e-reader by 2015. If these numbers aren't an indicator of people's willingness to drop printed publications, I don't know what is. Let's just say that is today's society. New technology has paved the way for online journalism to make print media obsolete. Most of your newspapers and magazines are already accessible online and at a savings compared to print media. So, what does that mean for journalists? Who's actually reporting the news these days? The truth of the matter is that the heavy hitting journalists that work in the newsroom are still doing the reporting. You will find them covering every angle of a story. That are the ones that attend the city council meetings, regardless of what happens, and of 10 times not much does. But the work of these print journalists, as well as professional online journalists, can be used by anyone. And their work is used by almost everyone, including lawyers, politicians, talk show hosts, and yes, even the amateur blogger. For better or worse, it's becoming more and more common for these non professional second hand sources to get wider online exposure than do the original stories. So, why is the professional online news industry looking increasingly gloomy? It all boils down to money. As much as I love print, where do these publications get their money? Well, from the Walmarts and Albertsons of the world. I am sure that Walmart has no internet is funding the next piece of news on Representative Anthony D. Weiner's resignation. Why should they? In the past, businesses had no choice but to find this kind of fluff if they wanted to advertise in a print medium that meant anything at all. Not anymore. With the popularization of the World Wide Web, a whole new way of advertising that has been birthed. Businesses can now reach the exact consumer demographic with Facebook and AdWords that they once reached with the local paper. And why shouldn't they? Intelligently and intelligently used, online advertising is less expensive and more effective than traditional media advertising, especially newspapers. And big business never really wanted to fund the Veena investigation anyway. In my next post, in my next video, we will explore the real issue at hand. Has cyber journalism put the traditional journalist on the endangered species list? यानी कि इस पूरे वीडियो में, इस लेक्चर में हमने यह जानने की कोशिश की है कि साइबर जर्नलिज़म का फ्यूचर क्या है। न्यू मीडिया, जिसे हम ऑनलाइन जर्नलिज़म या वेब जर्नलिज़म कहते हैं, उसका फ्यूचर क्या है, भविष्य क्या है। क्या भविष्य में वह और ज़्यादा तेज़ी से बढ़ेगा और लोगों पर हावी होगा, या उसका दायरा घटेगा। तो जैसा कि हमने इस वीडियो में समझा, जाना कि ट्रेडिशनल मीडिया के बाद साइबर जर्नलिज़म या न्यू मीडिया का दायरा दिन ब दिन बढ़ने की ही संभावना नज़र आ रही है, क्योंकि हर आदमी के हाथों में स्मार्टफोन, इंटरनेट, कंप्यूटर आदि की पहुंच हो रही है। थैंक यू।